Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a stopwatch on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open clock app. Now here in clock app, go to the stopwatch tab, and here to start the stopwatch click on start, and when the stopwatch is started and you want to give a lap to your stopwatch, then tap on lap, and if you want to stop the stopwatch then click on stop. So now you can see the stopwatch is stopped. Now if you want to continue the stopwatch from here, then tap on resume, and if you want to reset and you want to start from 0 again, then click on reset. So now the stopwatch is reset. So that's how you can use stopwatch in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.